Hi guys, I got a new toy. It's a Hello Kitty cash register and it's so cool. So I thought of doing a video with you guys and sharing it with you how cool it is. So let's get shopping. The first item is a box. A Hello Kitty box. You can see I love Hello Kitty a lot. Before I do anything, I want to on it. So I'm going to press this top button right over here. And then I'm going to go and wipe it. I want to make that a $2 item. So this one's done. Next one, the 14 bracelets. And when I said 14 bracelets, it kind of looks like 13 wishes from the movie Monster High. But yeah, so here's the 14 wishes. So let me get this. Since it doesn't have a barcode, I'm just going to do it over here. And that should be a $3 item. So let me just do that. Okay, so total box. Okay, so that's $5. Now we also have cute little thing there with coins and some $10 bills and some $5 bills. So 3 plus 2, everything knows it's $5. So I'm going to use a $5 note. And we also have a Hello Kitty credit card under here. But if you don't want to pay by the credit card, no problem. So I have a $5. Just going to keep this aside. Done. So let's shop again. So even though now I'm done with this, I have a next round over here. Some books. Sophia's Magic Lesson and here is Sophia's Magic Lesson. Yeah, I already said that. And here is Minnie and the Lost Dog. So first I'm going to go for Minnie and the Lost Dog. So same thing, I want to scan it. I'll make that a $1 item. Now I'm going to make this, let me see. I could have done it 2 times, no problem, because it doesn't pay for you. Like, it doesn't show the price for you, and that's great. So this, a $4 item. And 4. So I'm just gonna check that. Let me see this. Okay. That equals 5 too. So I'm just gonna open this up. This little one over here. I'm gonna check my $5 note. Noties. Okay, I have a $5 note. And this time my $5 note over. And I'm done. So, and it even comes with coins if I didn't tell you. It comes with these coins. And it also comes with the credit card. I should take them out and show you nicely. So $10 bills. You see here's some $10 bills. Here's $5 bills. Here's some $10 bills. Some more of $10 bills. That's not all. Here we go. Of the $10 bills. You see? All the $10 bills. And over here are all the $5 bills. $5 bills. And over here, the cute Hello Kitty credit card. Hello Kitty. And some cute, adorable little Hello Kitty coins. Wow, these are really adorable. Totally. Some adorable little Hello Kitty coins. And that's all it comes with. And something very cool I forgot to show you. You can, there's a signature area right over here. It draws. You can like draw, and the pink comes out. There's like this pink shade. You see that? Oh, and you can even put the buttons. I should on it. Yeah, and this cash register was very extendo cool. You should get this. And where you can get this, it's at Toys R Us. I bought it from Toys R Us, but you can buy it from any place you like. I'm sure you get it from every place. So that's where you get it, and extremely cool. You should try getting it. And don't open it that often if you don't like it. You can try returning it. But tell me, I'm sure you'll love it. So, that's it. So thanks for watching, and also thank you for watching. Comment